In this video, let's see what is the difference after installing the 30mm wheel spacers on your Ford Explorer. Let's check it. Wheel spacers are modified parts placed between hub assembly and wheel. The role is to push the wheel to the outside of the vehicle, providing more space between hub assembly and wheel. Wheel spacers as aftermarket part is a common cost-effective product, commonly used in street racing and off-road vehicles. Radical spacers will add a more personal touch to the vehicle, creating a look that stands out from stock vehicles. If you have decided to install wheel spacers, choosing the right thickness of wheel spacers will reduce the effect of suspension components. At the same price, BONOSS Ford active cooling wheel spacers provide more useful advantages. The special design of this BONOSS active cooling wheel spacer is the petal-shaped groove on the back. Because the rotation of the spacer makes the external cold airflow efficiency uncontinuously inside the spacer. While cold air flowing, the heat of the braking system is taken away, thereby achieving the effect of active cooling, improving braking efficiency and reducing overheating of brakes. This technique maintains the brakes at normal temperature to ensure wheel spacers' safety and driving security. As a professional spacer designer and manufacturer, BONOSS relies on years of experience and hard work to create the world's first active cooling technique. Once again, my name is Grace. If you like our videos, please give a thumbs up and make sure to subscribe. Thanks for watching and have a great day!